It's Matt with John. I had problem 4. It was like a word problem and with the graph. And so let's see what it says. So it says estimate the net area under the curve bounded by the x-axis from x equals 1 to x equals 7 within 12 rectangles using a right-hand sum. In other words, find R12. Make sure to draw rectangles. Round your answer to one decimal. Explain the notation of R12, including the notation you will use in what allows x as r to find delta x. So then we are actually given f of x, and it's going to be 3 pi minus cosine pi x, and then on negative 3 comma 2 explains the summation notation you will use. Okay, to find delta x, use Desmos graph function. Okay, so let's do this. This problem actually was kind of hard for me. I don't know why. I just couldn't graph fit. I was kind of confused. But mathematically, I know, like, I'm given delta x equals b minus a over n. That's the formula that we'll use. And if we know that a is 1, a is going to get 1, and b equals 7, then n equals 12. By the way, this means the lower bound on the interval, this upper bound of the interval is just the number of rectangles. So delta x equals 7 minus 1, 12, so I just plugged it in. And then this is going to be 6 over 12, which equals, in decimal form, 0.5. Okay, and then what we could do is actually use this formula. Xi equals a plus I times delta x. Then we can plug in, so for x1 equals 1 plus 1 times 0.5 equals 1.5. And then I equals 2, so x squared equals 1 plus 2 times 0.5 equals, then I multiply it 2.5. Yeah, that makes sense. So then I is going to equal 12. To find the notation, we would use R12 equals sigma 12 I equals 1 f of x delta x. But I don't know what to do from here. If you guys can help me, kind of confused.